Lesson 90, Turn Data. In this lesson, we'll take a look at how to turn data on its side and a formula method for doing the same thing. Okay, well, someone sent us these numbers, and it's great, except we want the numbers to be going down the spreadsheet instead of across the spreadsheet. I'll select that range by using Control *, and I'll copy to the clipboard. Now, the Excel word for turning data on its side is transpose. So if I would choose a new cell, I could just go to the Paste drop-down and choose Transpose. Transpose works in both directions, so if I have data that's vertically, and I copy it and choose a new cell, I can paste and transpose and turn data back the other way. Now, in previous versions of Excel, rather than going to Paste Transpose, we had to go to Paste Special and check the Transpose button. It's actually a little bit easier just to be able to use Paste Transpose now from the Paste drop-down. Well, what if we need live formulas that would do the same thing? Of course, if we would enter a formula here that would just point to January and copy that formula down, we're going to have a problem because it will be pointing at cells below the cell. Instead, we can use the index function, equal index, and we specify the range that we want to grab values from. I'll press the F4 key to make that an absolute reference. And we have to say which row we want. Well, that's always going to be row 1. Simple enough. Which column do we want? As we copy this down, we want to grab column 1, then column 2, then column 3, then column 4. And so the great way to do that is to use the row function. Ask for the row of A1. That'll give us a 1 and the number 41. But as we copy it down, the row of A1 will change to be the row of A2, which will give me the second value, and then the third value, and the fourth value, and so on. Using the index in combination with the row function, a great way to use formulas to turn data on its side. That way, if any of these values change, it will automatically be reflected in our formula range. Well, I hope you found that helpful, and thanks for watching.
Looking to advance your career by acquiring new skills? Tired of expensive off-site training programs? Wish you could learn from the best instructors in the industry? Look no further than live lessons. Self-paced, personal video instruction by the world's leading technology publishers. Each live lesson comes with a DVD featuring 3 to 4 hours of instructor-led classroom training, sample program code that allows you to work along with your personal instructor, and an example-rich study guide. Live lessons allow you to watch the entire course from start to finish, or navigate directly to any of the individual lessons. You'll literally watch over the shoulder of your instructor as he shows you how to build state-of-the-art applications. Live lessons, the power of the world's leading technology experts at your fingertips. To learn more, visit mylivelessons.com today.